Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how you can get access to the top tier premium LLM models for free. It can be Claude Opus 4, it can be Claude Sonnet 4, or it can be Google Gemini 2.5 Pro latest version. All of these models you will get access for free. Here you see, currently I am using this Claude Opus 4 for free, and you know that to access the Claude Opus 4, you need $15 for the input token and $75 for the output token, but here you don't need anything. And not only this Claude Opus 4, here you see that you will get access to this OpenAI O3 mini and also this Claude 3.7 Sonnet, this Deepseek R1, this O3 model, O4 mini model, and Gemini 2.5 flash model, and many more. Now here you see that I have selected this Claude Opus 4 model because currently it is the world's best coding model that is described by the Claude, and I am selecting this model for the chat purpose also. So on the left hand side you will find some options like battle, side by side, and this direct chat. So I am selecting this direct chat. Now after that you will find one message box here. Now here you can provide the simple text message or you can provide the image also. Now I am providing this simple text message. I am asking one simple question that name a country whose name starts with the letter S and ends with land, provides its capital city. Now if I press enter, here you will see that I am getting answer from the world's best model Claude Opus 4, and it is completely free. So I got the answer Switzerland, its capital city is Bern. Okay, it is best answer that I am getting because I asked this same question to all of that top tier model like OpenAI O3 or Deepseek R1 and also Gemini 2.5 Pro model, but I didn't get the correct answer from any of them. But here you see, within a one go I have got the correct answer, and that is completely free. Now if I select this side by side from this drop down, there you will find that you can compare two models. So here you see that in this drop down I can select this Claude Opus 4, and here I can select any of the other models, let's say Gemini 2.5 Flash, or I can select the Gemini latest model. Here you see this latest model Gemini Pro Preview 0605 is also available. So let's say selecting this, and here you can ask any question. Like if I paste the same question here, press enter, you will see that both of this model will give you the answer. Now you can compare also that which model is giving you the best answer. Here you see that I have already got the answer from this Claude Opus 4, and now I am getting the answer from this 2.5 Pro also. Here you see Switzerland and its capital city Bern. And so you can actually compare the answer from both of this model, and then you can go for that answer whichever you are preferring that best. Okay, now here also you will find one battle option, so it is actually same like the side by side. So that means you are getting the access to all of this model for free. And not only this text, if you are interested to get the code for the particular prompt or particular website, let's say you want to design a website, design a threaded discussion forum with upvoting and downvoting features. It is same like the Reddit or the discussion forum like the Discord. Now if I press enter, then it will give me the code. Always mention that in React or whatever in HTML and CSS and JS. Now if I press enter, here you will see that both of these two model will start writing the code for me. Here you see. Now another thing is that if you want to specifically write the code, then in that case you have option for this web.lmarina.ai, and here also you can paste the same prompt and now you can press enter. But the thing is that here you will not be able to choose the model. Like in this website, here you can choose the model, like you want to go for the Claude Opus 4 or you want to go for this Gemini 2.5 Pro. But here in this website you will not be able to choose the model. But here if you write the prompt and if you press enter, then you will get answer from world's top coding model or top tier premium model. Okay, let me show you that. Suppose here I am pasting this and press enter, and here you see you will get answer from the two model. So here you see that on the left hand side I have got the UI, and if you go to this code, so here you will find one code option, another one is this blog option. So blog is for the preview. Now if you want to get the code for this particular UI, then click on this code and you will get the whole source code here, and you can download it here also. Here you see you can download it. And also here you see that on the right hand side our UI is ready. And if you compare, here you see that the right hand side UI is looking very beautiful, because on the left hand side we have only one box, and there is a post comment button on the left hand side. But on the right hand side I have this discussion title box, and also the topic that I want to discuss, the description, and also this create discussion box, and also some of the discussions, and also this upvote and downvote features. Okay, and also this add comment option. So I think the right side UI is looking very better to me. And now here you will get option that which one is better, left or right. Now if I choose right is better, now you will see the actual model. So here you see that the actual model is the latest model, Deepseek R1 0528, and on the left hand side the model is O3. Now you tell me that which one is best. Obviously Deepseek R1 0528, which is the latest model, it is the best model, right? And it is actually beating the ChatGPT or OpenAI O3 model. And also Deepseek R1 price is very much less if you want to get the API and you want to use the API in anywhere. Now here you can also ask the follow-up question. Suppose you want this comment button in green color. So what you can do, that you can ask here that make this button with a green color, so it will do that also. Okay, so in this way you can ask the follow-up question and you can generate the code, and at the end of the generating of code, if you get the satisfaction, then you can download that code also. So what advantage you will get, that you can generate the entire website prototype for free, and then you can import that code base into VS Code with client extension, or you can import that in Windsor or Cursor. So in that way you can reduce the token usage, and also in that way you can reduce the API usage limit also, right? So this is the advantage of using these models or generating the code through this website. So I have given this two website link in description, and if you found helpful, don't forget to comment down below in comment section that I got this video very helpful. And also like this video, subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.